আজি সানডে আজি আপোনালোকক লৈ যাম মই পঢ়া স্কুলটোলৈ মোৰ বহুত মেমৰিজ জড়িত হৈ আছে ক্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি স্কুল বলক আহোঁ চাওঁ আহক গেটত অহাৰ লগে লগে আমি লগ পাম হৰেশ্বৰ দাক আমি সৰুৰ পৰাই পাই আছোঁ হৰেশ্বৰ দাক আৰু তেখেতে বহুত ধুনীয়া গান গায় আজি তেখেতৰ গান আমি শুনিম দিয়ক তো হৰেশ্বৰ দা আমাৰ কথা মনত পৰে নে নপৰে
পৰে কিয় নপৰে
আৰু পুৰণি ষ্টুডেণ্টখিনি আহি আপোনাৰ লগত লগ কৰিলে আপোনাৰ কেনেকুৱা লাগে আপোনাৰ হেৰি ফিলিংটো কেনেকুৱা ভাল লাগে আচ্ছা আপুনিতো বহুত ধুনীয়া গান গায় আপুনিতো ইতিমধ্যে ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়াত আপোনাৰ গান এটা ভাইৰেল হৈ গৈছিল আৰু আমাৰ দৰ্শকক আপোনাৰ গান অকণমান শুনাই দিব নেকি
এতিয়া গান গোৱাৰ সময়টো নহয় তথাপি এপাক কিমান গাই দিম
ঠিক আছে আপুনি যিমানখিনি গাব পাৰে
দিলো হুম হুম করে ঘবরাই গান ধম ধম করে গরজায় একই কবি পানি কি মরে আসিও সে বরসায় দিলো হুম হুম করে ঘবরাই
অতিকৈ ধুনীয়া ধন্যবাদ হৰেশ্বৰ দা আমি যেতিয়া সৰু আছিলোঁ স্কুলত আছিলোঁ আহি টিফিন ব্ৰেকত লাঞ্চ ব্ৰেকত আমি হৰেশ্বৰ দাৰে গান শুনো চ' ধন্যবাদ হৰেশ্বৰ দা আহক আমি এতিয়া কলেজ স্কুলৰ ভিতৰত সোমাওঁ
শুকুলা পাখিৰে পোহৰৰ মন্ত্ৰ বিলাই সপোনৰ ৰদালি আলিৰে জ্ঞানৰ বন্তি জ্বলাই জোনাকৰ শুকুলা পাখিৰে পোহৰৰ মন্ত্ৰ বিলাই আমি যাওঁ আগুৱাই সন্মুখৰে বঢ়ি যাওঁ বুনিয়াদ জীৱনৰে অনিৰুদ্ধ আমাৰ গতি অনিৰুদ্ধ আমাৰ গতি আমি খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি আমি খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি আমি খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি সপোনৰ ৰদালি আলিৰে জ্ঞানৰ বন্তি জ্বলাই জোনাকৰ শুকুলা পাখিৰে পোহৰৰ মন্ত্ৰ বিলাই পিছে ঢাপলি মেলাৰ বিপৰীতে প্ৰতিযোগিতাৰ পিছে পিছে ঢাপলি মেলাৰ বিপৰীতে সঁচা মানুহ গঢ়াৰ স্বপ্ন আমাৰ সঁচা মানুহ গঢ়াৰ স্বপ্ন আমাৰ এই প্ৰয়াসৰ নহয় ইতি এই প্ৰয়াসৰ নহয় ইতি আমি খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি আমি খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি আমি খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি সপোনৰ ৰদালি আলিৰে জ্ঞানৰ বন্তি জ্বলাই জোনাকৰ শুকুলা পাখিৰে পোহৰৰ মন্ত্ৰ বিলাই
বলক এতিয়া আমি কথা পাতোঁ ক্ৰাইজ্যোতি স্কুলৰ অধ্যক্ষ ফাদাৰ সেবেষ্টিয়ানৰ সৈতে আহক
আমার গতি অনিরুদ্ধ আমার গতি আমি খ্রাইস্ট জ্যোতি আমি খ্রাইস্ট জ্যোতি আমি খ্রাইস্ট জ্যোতি
So further 1983 to 2020, this 37 years journey, how do you see this? What defines these 37 years?
Well, Subhajit, thank you and welcome to Christ Jyoti School.
Thank
You
sir.
passed out of the school in 2013, I think.
Yes, Father.
Yes. Thank you for coming back to school.
Thank you.
You see a lot of difference
The
here.
pleasure is mine,
It's
Father.
a beautiful thing. I think we have also added up a lot of things
Yeah, yeah.
also to this school. Well, what defines Christ Jyoti School for the last 37 years? I would say hard work, sincerity of the teachers, and innocence of the children like you. I still see innocence on your face. Only you have put on a beard and so on. I think that is the hallmark of Christ Jyoti School. We love our children. We look at education as a service, and I think teachers love our children. And through running this school, I think what defines Christ Jyoti as an institution is also that education is not simply something that has to be carried out only on a business level, but on a loving level, on a level that really marks an impression on the minds of the children. I think hard work, sincerity, love of the students, teachers becoming the mothers and the fathers of the children had been the hallmark of Christ Jyoti School. That is why children keep coming back to the school. I think you have come also to school because you love the school, love the teachers and so on. I think that defines Christ Jyoti.
Father, recently the HSLC results have been declared. We see every year that a hype at this day, on this day is created, a fest is created out of it by the politicians, media, etc. etc. So how do you see this ranking system actually? Because there are a lot of students who miss this feat by just 1 or 2 marks.
My answer is success is great, but success is not always being the first, but completing. See, God has called us actually to be faithful more than successful. I remember, if I am not mistaken, there was a Paralympics many years ago where crippled children or children with, limitations in their body, they were participating in the Olympics, and as they were running, one child with the crutches fell down and all the others who were going front stopped. They came back, carried the participant who fell, and then they all went together to the finishing point together. That was a great message, I believe, for people who aspire only for ranks. And some of our parents are also very much clamoring, students are clamoring for ranks. Even Christ Jyoti School also sometimes, when we get a rank, we are very happy. Even as the head of the institution, I sometimes longed for a rank. First time when rank came here, we were very happy. Naturally, there is that joy in becoming the first. But I think the message is this, that what is important is not reaching first, but reaching itself. I think when you pass MBBS, a doctor, when you become a doctor, it doesn't matter which rank you got, that you became a doctor, that you needed to have that aptitude, the ability, the knowledge to take care of patients. Once you reach that level, doesn't matter nobody asks you which rank doctor you got when you were studying the MBBS and so on. I think that comes also, your prowess, your capacity as a doctor comes also later. Look at Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, second class in BSc.
Yes.
He became the president of the country. I think this is my message to all those who are clamoring for ranks and so on, including principals and teachers and students and guardians. Ranks do not matter. Your performance as a fine citizen of the country. After getting the marks, what do you really do with those marks? When you become a doctor, when you become an engineer, do you really serve the nation? I think that matters. And reaching that position, becoming finishing the point, reaching the finishing line, I think is very important. And that is the perception I have about ranks.
Right, Father. Being an ex-Cryjotian, I see a huge difference between the smartness and intellect level of CJ students and the other students of this district. what extra do you impart in the students, Father, which makes them such different from others?
I should really honestly and sincerely answer nothing. We offer them nothing, except perhaps this love. I think the children keep coming back. When they call me father, I really feel like a father of many children, you know. We give nothing to them except a little bit more of love. And our teachers also love our children. I think that is the special thing that we give them, a sense of belonging, that we care for them, that education doesn't end. You know, as long as we live, we keep on learning, you know, and that's it. Even if I become a teacher, I think I have to stop teaching the moment I stop learning. So we are learners. We will never really learn everything, you know. We really have to keep on learning. And that kind of an inquisitiveness, quest for knowledge, I think the students have got from this atmosphere. That's the reason Christ Jyoti is special, I think. To be very honest to your question, I think we give nothing extra. We only love them. We are trying to really keep them special as our own children. I always tell my teachers also, dear teachers, behave like the parents of the children. When 2,500 children are running around on this campus, we are their parents for about let's say 9 to 3, you know, 6 hours. We are their parents. So I think that is the extra that we give. Oh no, we don't say that is extra. That is the speciality that Christ Jyoti gives. I think that's a speciality most of the schools also do. And in that way, Christ Jyoti is nothing special. It is nothing special.
Father, there have been thousands and lakhs of students, alumni who have passed out from this prestigious school. Father, do you at this day, present day, do you have a special message for those alumni, including me?
Yes. Sometimes when I used to conduct the assembly here, I used to ask them, how many of you want to become doctors? I used to see many hands going up in the air. How many of you want to become politicians? How many of you want to become doctors and so on? How many of you want to become teachers and so on? You are yourself a teacher. Now, look, I always tell them, more than what we can get, there is a great value to what we can give to people. Getting is not always the most important thing. Giving is more noble than getting. Naturally, you need to have your money to live. If you are a married person, you will have your wife, your husband, your children, and your father-in-law, mother-in-law, or your own parents to look after. You need money, naturally. But money is not everything in life. We really need to concentrate on the aspect of service. That as a doctor, I need to take care of the patients, people who are suffering from bodily ailments. And I, as a doctor, if I'm a doctor, I need to have that service-mindedness. As a teacher, I need to see that I work not only for the salary, but also for the comprehensive growth of all my children whom I teach. And if I'm an engineer, I see that I do my work properly. If I am a politician, I become a politician, I see that I really serve the nation. Republic, yeah? The republic actually is coming from the word, a Latin word, res. Re means things. Publicum means of the public, of the society. So a politician is the one who is in charge of all the things of the public. So he will also behave in a responsible way, you know. So that way, that's service-mindedness.
Just a follow-up question. Do you think that's lacking in present-day politicians?
Well, I don't want to comment. I think there are many politicians who really also look at politics as a service, I should really say. But, you know, as in every other profession, actually, you know, we should also see this aspect has to be segregated. We should say service to the nation, service to humanity, service to my fellow beings. That comes before anything else. Service, that is the point. That is the point.
Father, this year we have seen the HSLC result, and the Christ Jyoti result was an extraordinary all-round result. Maybe the rank hasn't come, but it was an all-round 96, 97 average, most of them got. What message do you have, Father, for this year pass-outs?
Don't get discouraged, my dear children. This is what I wanted to say. One of the best batches we had over all these years. Some of the students were really disheartened because of the results, because as I said, they were looking for a position, a rank. Now don't get discouraged because you don't get a rank. Rank is not everything. I already cited the example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and many others who have not been in the first places in their different areas of competition, studies and so on, but later on made an indelible impression on human minds. So your chances are coming. So that's what I would like to say to those students who passed out. Wonderful batch we had in intellect. And they were also good children, I should say. All our batches are really good. This year, especially some of them themselves, they hoped for getting ranks. But somehow this time they didn't get. That doesn't mean that ranks are everything. But at the same time, one must be very honest and say, ranks really give us a lot of joy also. And I think that is my message. Don't be disheartened. Your study, career, and your journey has just begun. So you will have many more successes awaiting you in the future course of time.
Okay, Father, lastly, as you know, our YouTube channel provides free online physics coaching for 11th and 12th and motivational videos and other videos every Sunday. What message would you give our subscribers or audience?
I would like to say my student Subhajit Sen is doing a commendable job. Join him, subscribe to him, and encourage him in his endeavor. Also, I think he is also keeping this attitude of service, giving online or free, coaching in physics, because physics also is a tough subject for many students, I think. So when you are doing that, I think that is a great service. Hats off to you, and I should say continue with it. And I would like everybody who is finding this topic as a relevant topic to join him and to support him. That is my what shall I say, my view about this, what you are doing. I think you are doing a wonderful service. Continue to do it. Congratulations.
Thank you, Father. So, jeneke Father kole channel to subscribe kora, like kora, share kora, friend hokolor logot. Aru etia ami okon Christjyotir keigoraki teacher logot kotha patu bolok.
মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোক নিশ্চয় ভালে আছা আমি মাৰ্চৰ পৰা মাৰ্চ এপ্ৰিল মে জুন জুলাই এইকেইদিন আমি তোমালোকক পোৱা নাই যদিও তোমালোক প্ৰতিজনেৰে আমাৰ অন্তৰত আছা আমি তোমালোকৰ সদায় শুভ কামনা কৰোঁ আৰু তোমালোকেও আমাৰ বাবে প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিবা আমি যাতে পৃথিৱীৰ সকলো মানুহৰ বাবে তোমালোকে পুৱা আৰু গধূলি প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিবা এই সময়ত আমি এতিয়া কি হৈছে এই বিপদৰ সময়ত আমি সকলোৱে ধৈৰ্য ধৰিব লাগিব আৰু যদি ধৈৰ্য নধৰা নহতে আমি যদি সকলোৱে ধৈৰ্য নধৰো তেতিয়াহ'লে পৃথিৱীখন কোনোবা ফালে গতি কৰিব প্ৰাকৃতিক এইবিলাক আছে দুৰ্যোগবোৰ তাকে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ধৈৰ্যৰে আমি ধৈৰ্যৰে আমি তাক সহি যাব লাগিব আৰু চোৱা মানুহ আমি সেই কাৰণে যে মানুহে যিকোনো পৰিস্থিতিতে আমি কি কৰিব পাৰোঁ সময়ৰ লগত খাপ খাই আমি চলিব পাৰোঁ গতিকে মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আমাৰ ভাল দিন আকৌ আহিব তোমালোকে চিন্তা নকৰিবা আমি আকৌ আগৰ দৰে বিহু গাম নাচিম খেলিম গোটেই Christjyoti অকল Christjyoti বুলি নহয় সকলো ল'ৰা ছোৱালী নিজৰ শিক্ষকসকলৰ লগত ফূৰ্তিৰে কথা পাতিব পাৰিব সেই আগৰ দিন আকৌ ঘূৰি আহিব সদায় এই সকলোখিনি মনত ৰাখিবা আৰু নিজৰ কৰ্ম সদায় কৰি যাবা যেনে ধৰা যিখিনি বাহিৰলৈ গ'লে তোমাৰ মাস্ক ল'বা বা সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সটো বজাই ৰাখিবা ইত্যাদি তোমালোকে যিবোৰ কাম কৰি যাবা সেইবিলাকেই আমাৰ সমাজখনক কি কৰিব জানে আগুৱাই যোৱাত সহায় কৰিব গতিকে মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল যিখিনিয়ে পঢ়া শুনাৰ প্ৰতি অৱহেলা কৰিছা কেতিয়াও অৱহেলা নকৰিবা কাৰণ আমি তোমালোকক অনলাইনৰ যোগেদি গোটেইখিনি পাঠ দি আছোঁ সেয়েহে মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল যিসকলে ইয়াৰ আগতেও পঢ়ি গৈছা অৰ্থাৎ আমাৰ আগৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল তেওঁলোকেও নিজৰ কৰ্তব্য ভালদৰে কৰি যোৱা কাৰণ কৰ্তব্য বিমুখ হ'লে পৃথিৱীত একো কাম নাই গতিকে নিজৰ কৰ্তব্য কেতিয়াও নাপাহৰিবা আমি সময়ৰ লগত খাপ খুৱাই চলিবই লাগিব মনত ধৈৰ্য ধৰা আৰু তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিব পাৰিম এই পৃথিৱীত সকলোখিনি কোভিড কি তাতকৈ ডাঙৰ বেমাৰো আমি কি কৰিব পাৰিম জয় কৰিব পাৰিম গতিকে তোমালোকে নিশ্চয় জানা উই শ্যাল ওভাৰকাম তোমালোকেতো জানা উই শ্যাল ওভাৰকাম সেই গানটো তোমালোকৰ নিশ্চয় মনত আছে সেই গানটোকে তোমালোকে সদায় মনত ৰাখিব আকৌ জয়ন্ত হাজৰিকাৰ সেই গীতটি আকৌ নতুন প্ৰভাত হ'ব কাল ৰাত্ৰিও নাথাকিব নিউ কৰা ফেচাৰ চিয়ৰ হিয়ালৰ ৰাও আঁতৰিব গতিকে কেতিয়াও পৃথিৱী সময় গতিশীল সময় সকলো ধুৱাই লৈ যাব তোমালোকে চিন্তা নকৰিবা
Yes, hello children. I'm really glad that today Subhajit has come to me to just pass a message to all of you, and I just want to talk to the present students as well as to all my loving ex-students too. In fact, all of you, I just want to say please keep healthy and look at the present situation. We are just looking forward that very soon we are going to get united, we are going to stay together, we are going to meet one another. And today at this stage when we are going on doing with the online classes, we feel so unattached with the children, and that I don't want to continue. I want to come back to my children. I want to get to know one another again, meet one another, face one another. And facing these online situations, it seems like we are far, far away from emotional touch. So children, please keep healthy. We want to be back again. Christ Jyoti wants everyone to be back again, to be together again. It's a loving family, and so we love you all. Thank you, children.
Hello students, myself here Mayuri ma'am. I hope you all are doing good and safe at home. And we all know that we are facing a very critical situation as of now. But during this time of crisis, we should understand certain things, that although we are at home, that doesn't mean that we are supposed to enjoy our holidays. We should utilize and we should make the full use of this precious time. I would advise you all to stay safe at home, eat healthy, and make use of the time in a better way. And at last, I would request you all to subscribe to this channel called Physics Sala. Thank you.
Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are keeping on good. We miss you a lot. Especially today, Subhrojit has come to meet me and he asked me to give you people a small message. So I'm thinking of what to give you. But যিয়ে নহওক, তোমালোকে এই বন্ধত তোমালোকে নিজৰ স্বাস্থ্যৰ যত্ন ল'বা। পঢ়া শুনাখিনি অনলাইন যিহেতু হৈ আছে, সেইমতে তোমালোকে স্কুলৰ পৰা যোনখিনি ইনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন দি আছে সেইমতে তোমালোকে ফ'ল' কৰা। বিশেষকৈ এলুমিনিসকলক, যিসকলে পাছ আউট কৰি গৈছে, তেওঁলোককো বহুত মিছ কৰোঁ। তেওঁলোকে সঁচাকৈ আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা বিশেষ মানে আমাৰ অন্তৰত থকা লোক হয়। তোমালোকৰ অবিহনে আমি যেন আধৰুৱা। তোমালোকেও চেষ্টা কৰা স্কুলখনৰ কাৰণে। বিশেষকৈ আজি বহুতখিনি এক্স ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছে, বহুতখিনি আমাৰ এলুমিনি আছে, যিসকল বহুত ওপৰত গৈছে, বহুত ভাল ভাল কাম কৰিছে। তেওঁলোকে কিছু ছাজেশ্যন যাতে আগবঢ়ায়, আমাৰ নিজৰ স্কুলখন পৰিৱেশটো আৰু কেনেকৈ ধুনীয়া কৰিব পাৰি, আৰু কেনেকৈ তেওঁলোকৰ আমাৰ আহি থকা ষ্টুডেণ্টখিনিক কেনেকৈ আমি ডেভেলপ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, স্পেচিয়েলি অনলাইন ক্লাছৰ কাৰণে। আৰু বিশেষকৈ সুব্ৰজিতে এটা ইউটিউব চেনেল কৰিছে, সেই চেনেলটো যাতে প্ৰত্যেকে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰে। আৰু তেওঁৰ ফিজিক্সত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীক বিভিন্ন ধৰণে হেল্প কৰিছে। তেওঁলোকে যাতে সুব্ৰজিতৰ হেল্প লয়, আৰু মোৰ শুভেচ্ছা তোমালোক সকলোকে থাকিল। থেংক ইউ।
নমস্কাৰ। নগাঁৱৰ অগ্ৰণী শিক্ষানুষ্ঠান খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি স্কুলৰ অৱদান বিগত দিনত যথেষ্ট আদৰণীয়। ইয়াৰ পৰা ওলাই যোৱা ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে সমাজৰ বিভিন্ন ক্ষেত্ৰত নিজকে প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিব পাৰিছে। এইখন বিদ্যালয়ত এটা সময়ত ময়ো জড়িত আছিলোঁ শিক্ষাদান প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰ যোগেদি। বিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰিৱেশ বৰ সুন্দৰ, ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল বৰ মৰম লগা, শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰীসকল খুবেই কষ্ট কৰিব পৰা, পৰিশ্ৰম কৰিব পৰা। আৰু অনাগত দিনত বৰ্তমান প্ৰজন্মৰ যিখিনি আহি আছে, সেই ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলেও খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি স্কুলৰ সুন্দৰ পৰিৱেশৰ মাজত থাকি নিজকে প্ৰকৃত মানৱ সম্পদ ৰূপে গঢ় দিব পাৰিব বুলি আমাৰ গভীৰ বিশ্বাস। খ্ৰাইষ্ট জ্যোতি জিন্দাবাদ। ধন্যবাদ।
Hi my dear children, it's really an honor that one of my ex-student, and I never feel that he is my ex-student till there is a very good bonding between him and me, Subhrojit Sen. He's one of the prominent student of Christ Jyoti and one of the very close student of my heart. So he actually came to me a few days back and then requested me to give a certain message for the Christ Jyotian, especially the older one, that means the passed out one, that means alumni. And really I miss those students, those what is called the golden period of my teaching life. Those Christ Jyoti students whom I met when I was the teacher of that prestigious institution of Assam. They were seriously a very brilliant student, and various what is called that very not only brilliant but also they have a very sweet heart. That's why they are still keep touch with us, and then I hope that they are doing well in their own field, and my blessings, my everything is with them. and I hope that they will do something for the betterment of our society and our nation. I miss them seriously a lot, because I told earlier that those days were my what is called the golden days of my teaching life. Regarding present student, they are also maybe doing well, and I hope that they are doing well, and I hope that they should also do the best for their own institution, their own society and their own family, and I hope they also come out with a very bright color. At last, I want to tell you one thing, that as a quiz master, I tell each and every quiz competitions that quiz master decision is the last and the foremost. Similarly, here also I am telling my dear students all that please subscribe Subhrojit Sen this one YouTube channel, and he is quite doing well so far my knowledge goes regarding the physics teaching. So if you subscribe, then it will help him also, and I know that in near future it will help you too. Thank you.
नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे बच्चों एवं अभिभावकगण। आज की स्थिति नहीं बल्कि किसी भी स्थिति में हम अपने आप को कैसे संभालते या ढालते हैं, सफलता उसी पर निर्भर करती है। जिस आज की इस विषम संकट की घड़ी में हम बच्चे को अपना समय का सदुपयोग करना चाहिए, साथ ही अपने स्वास्थ्य पर अधिक से अधिक ध्यान रखना चाहिए, और जो बन पड़े एक दूसरे के लिए हमेशा मददगार होना चाहिए। जैसे अभी फिजिक्स साला जो चल रहा है, जो बच्चों ने परिश्रम कर कर हमें ज्ञान का मार्गदर्शन दिखलाना चाहता है, उससे भी कुछ सीखें और इसी प्रकार की हम एक दूसरे की मदद करें। इतना ही कहकर मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ।